make $6,000 per month with CPA marketing. I'm going to show you very simple and basic strategy. You will start make money online with CPA marketing without selling anything. This is for beginners. So before we're going to start this video, make sure you guys must subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So right now I am in Cpagrip, you guys can see, and Cpagrip is one of the biggest platform, a lot of you know, for CPA marketing. And today we're gonna make money with Cpagrip without selling anything. So what you guys can do, you guys just simply click register your account. It's easy to create your account. Once you create your account, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to promote our offer. So I have my account, I'm just simply log in, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to promote CPA offer and make money without selling anything. So right now I am logging in my Cpagrip account, and you guys can see these are the recently added offers, and these are the top performing offers. And you guys can see there is really high payouts, but the main thing is there is a language barrier. So that's why we are not gonna promote this kind of offers. We're gonna only select these offers which is in English, because we understand English language. We don't understand a lot of this kind of languages. So what we're gonna do, I'm not gonna show you any complicated strategy like content locking or like a different kind of file locking, a lot of different strategies in CPA marketing, but I'm gonna show you one of the easiest strategy. Okay, just simply go to offers and tools, click on my offers. So this is the my offers section, you guys can see here, and what we're gonna do is I just simply select United States. You guys can select any kind of country, but I select United States and simply go with like payout. I'm gonna go looking for the highest payout. So right now highest payout is like $2.05 and $2.05 till here. There are 4 offers which give you more than $2 average email. Okay, so scroll down. Today we're gonna promote this offer. Is called get a PS5 now. Click this and you'll see like get a PS5 and United States. If anyone submit their email or sometime phone number, you will generate $2.05. okay, and this is really great offer. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote this offer and make money. So just what you guys can do, just simply copy that your link, and make sure you guys must select a new links. Do not copy that old links. So I'm gonna select this new link, copy that link, and make sure that save that link in your notepad, and we will generate more than $2 in every single email. So I'm gonna show you 2 websites, and at the end I'm gonna show you another small tricky technique. Okay, so once you get your affiliate link, what's our next step? Next step is we just simply go to Google and we just simply type sharbe.com. Why I type this? Because I'm going to show you a strategy how we're going to promote our CPA offer. We need a landing page, and I'm not going to create a really big kind of landing page through systeme.io or like with like Buildroll. I'm going to show you very simple way to getting your landing page with this website. Is called sharbe.com. Don't worry, it's free. So you guys just simply create your account. It's super simple. Add your email, password, and your account will be created. So once you create your account exactly look like this. So this is super simple. You guys can also see inside settings, you guys can upload image. So I'm gonna upload my title, for example, giveaways. You type it, just simply click enter, and now you guys can add social links, add messages. I'm gonna click add blog, add a button because we need button. I'm gonna put my I'm gonna put here my Cpagrip affiliate link here. So I'm gonna just simply paste my Cpagrip link, and now in here I'm gonna add, like, for example, like I type PS5 giveaway, and you guys can also able to add any kind of icon. So I'm gonna looking for the game icon like this, and this is how our landing page look like. It's super simple, and you guys just simply click publish. Once you click publish, and this is the link, you guys can see there we got a link. Copy that link or go to there, and this is, you guys can see how your landing page will be look like. So this is how your landing page look like, and you guys can also able to upload any kind of images, different kind of stuff, but I like really simple and basic landing page. If anyone click this, they go to this our offer and they just literally put their email, and we will generate more than $2 average in every single email. Okay, so go back. What you guys can do, just simply copy that and save in your notepad. So once you get this, now I'm going to show you how we're going to promote our offer. So you guys just simply go to this website. It's called gamepower.com/giveaways. So there is a really big offer in every single month, like thousands and hundreds and thousands of games and a lot of stuff people are doing giveaway, and this is only related to games. Okay, games and this kind of stuff is people are doing giveaway in this website. Okay, you guys can see there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of ways. You guys can see there's a lot of categories like Xbox One, PS4, Nintendo Switch, Android, and a lot of stuff. They're also providing PS5. So in here we're gonna promote our Cpagrip offer of getting a chance to win a PS5, right? So once you came here, what you guys can do, sign up your account, and you guys just simply click submit giveaway. Click this and go to there. So once you came here, this is ours, giveaway, submit, share a giveaway. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put like my URL, my title. So first I'm gonna put my URL here. I'm gonna put my that Sorbet URL in here. I'm gonna put a title. I'm just simply paste a title for PlayStation 5 giveaways. Click here and see the criteria. You guys can upload image, PS5 image. So I got a one image from Google of PS5. I'm gonna upload that image here. Upload that image. You guys can also get these kind of image, a lot of images from Google. So I also got this image from Google. Scroll down. I'm gonna add my description here. So I'll just simply paste my description. We are giving giveaway for PlayStation 5 who fulfill our criteria. Just click here and watch. So this kind of descriptions work because we are just literally say that if you fulfill our criteria, means you submit your number or email, you will get a chance to win PS5. And I'm gonna add instructions. It's again very important. So I'm gonna paste here like only available for United States people, because our offer only works in US. That's why we just simply add the instructions only available for United States people. It means only US people will submit emails, and we will generate $2.05 in every email. So simply click this, go with like PS5. You will find here, scroll down, you guys can see where is, there you go, PS5. And I'm gonna go with like other, or you guys can also select full game, but I'm gonna go with like other. And the worth of this, I don't know, I think $1,000. So I'm not gonna add any kind of price because you guys can see it says optional, and you guys just simply click submit giveaway. So it's not submitting. Let's see, scroll up. So there you go. So it shows like this, not working. What you guys can do, you guys can add https:// and then it's working, don't worry. Then scroll down and simply click submit giveaway. So you guys can see, thank you, we are looking forward going through your submission, and these people will approve your submission, and you will start generating sales once people are submit emails. So this is the first site. I'm gonna also show you another site. If you go to this website is called sweepmadness.com. a lot of people are doing gadget giveaways. You guys can see this laptop, like I don't know, like mechanical keyboard, I think, camera. There's a lot of gadgets people are doing giveaway. I don't know what is these things, but these are gadgets, I know. And you guys can see like a lot of people are doing giveaways. So we are also able to do giveaways in this website, but normally people are doing real things, like this is a real giveaway in this website. Okay, but we are just saying in our landing page you have a chance to win PS5. Okay, so what you guys can do, once you came to this website, simply click submit giveaway. Click this, and we're gonna put our details. So first I'm gonna put my giveaway link here. So I just simply paste my giveaway URL here. Scroll down, you guys can add worth, I don't know, I think $1,000, PS5 worth $1,000. Description here, I'm gonna put description. I just simply paste my description here like this, the same description I paste here. Scroll down, you guys can see the end date like 2022, and our offer will be end at 7th and 1st, for example, like this. And method is like email subscription. Click this, and video game and consoles. and eligible only in United States. You guys can see here, scroll down, and you guys can also upload a PS5 image. So I'm gonna upload my image from my PC. I upload that image, then just simply scroll down and put your name and email and just simply submit giveaway. Once you put your email and name and just simply click submit giveaway, and your giveaway will be submitted. So you guys can see like submit giveaway, your submission has been successful. So in this way your giveaway will people see on the main page in here, and people will, once people start submitting email to get a chance to win PS5, you guys are start making money. Okay, so with this method you will start making decent amount of money per day with these two websites which I show you. Once these websites approve your post, and people will start came to your offer and submit emails, you will start make money online. But one of the tip I'm gonna give you right now is like, if you have any friends or you're in United States of America, what you guys can do, you guys just literally send that emails to your family or friends or anyone who lives in United States, and say just put your email or phone number. They will put their email or phone number, and you will generate more than $2 in average in every email. Okay, just you guys can also make money with this method. Just send that Cpagrip link to your families and friends in United States. They will put their email, and you will also make money online. And if you want to make more than $10,000 plus per month, then make sure watch this video.